Yes, I'm one of them, and my papa. I was in a penny. Dear papa, and let's make you that man. Yeah, I don't know. I was in a penny. Aha, yeah, papa, that's small. Welfare secretary. Welcome home, whatever. I am here. Mr. Clancy, and I'm here in deputy. Also, next one, so. And then, yes. And then I'm a hustle pet, you know, and then it's like your food. Yes, someone. Then I'm not. Hey, now let the people go to me. Yes, as I say, it's not for me. And no, to be able, Nana Pia. Nana Pia. And then your mamma to make me young. And then your mamma, let's go, man. Hey, your mamma, yeah, let's go. Why you let me attack it? You are really dear. You will want to have a baby. Or not see your welfare secretary. Yes, you are me. Obama. Or not so about a sword. Aha. Yes. If you are from nationality, don't go and say pie. No one say pie. Yeah, my Jimmy. Obey your man, Papa. Obey your man. Siapia, your sister. Yes, I don't know what's your sister again. Yes, sister, I was warm against the money now. The master, man, comfort. Yes, I can't see my fault. I have to say, yes, the woman. I know I'm Mommy see, Nana Pia, Nana you too. That's that town, Nana Gadia so. Yeah, I am the other Kumaba Peggy. Millicent, hey, when you are to my area, one in town. Hey, I go to my penny. I am that's it. Wow. Nana, dear, for this year, Nana, I don't know anything else. Yay, never know. Junior, and Madonna, and Sakani, that in the last Samaritan is good. It's in that, or kind of home, in this year. The same year, you may be able to come.